Your first question: what is the process by which plants make their food? Your options are: option A respiration, B digestion, C photosynthesis, D evaporation. Your correct option is C photosynthesis. Your second question: what is the center of an atom called? Your options are: option A electron, B proton, C neutron, D nucleus. Your option is D nucleus. Your third question: what is the chemical symbol of water? Option A CO2, B H2O, C O2, D NaCl. Your correct option is H2O. Your fourth question: what is the largest planet in our solar system? Your options are: A Earth, B Saturn, C Jupiter, D Neptune. Your correct option is C Jupiter. Your fifth question: how many planets are there in our solar system? Your options are: A 7, B 8, C 9, D 10. Your option is B 8.